Hey friends, I checked the post office yesterday and we got another surprise.
This one from Mr. Sock.
Sock Monkey surprised us with a package.
Let's see what we got.
This is the second package we've gotten from the Sock Monkey KMAC project. Please check them out. We waited to open it for you guys. You guys are spoiling us.
I need to quit it, guys.
The universe is teaching me how to receive for sure.
Oh, look, Sock and Minnow.
Oh, have to get a picture of that. Ain't that cute?
Yeah,
I
maybe
love
use that
it.
for a thumbnail.
Nice little note.
Oh, the cards too.
Look. Very good, friends. Check out the KMAC Project 69. Sock and Minnow, awesome. They just took a trip, got back from, I think it was Arizona and Utah. Beautiful note. Let's see what's in the package.
More lures, guys. I'm going to have to extend my tackle box now. You guys keep it up. Oh, and the Mips. He said that's his favorite.
That's awesome, because we're going fishing next weekend. The
Little
weather
rooster
cooperates.
tail. We got to try Todd's lure out first, and we'll try yours out, too.
Got some lures to try out next weekend.
Oh, my goodness, guys.
Your guys are too
Another
much.
One? What the heck, man?
Way too much. Thank you so much. We are definitely...
How many's in here, dude?
I'm keeping an eye out for
Holy
you guys.
moly.
You guys are amazing. We are keeping our eye out. I know
What the
there's
heck?
something you need or want, or my heart's gonna have me purchase, because you guys are amazing. We feel so blessed.
All right, one more thing. Two more things. Uh-oh, this says Tiffany on it.
And you guys will not bother me calling me Tiff, Tiffy, Tiffany. I don't care. You can call me the crying plant lady.
Some people call her Tornado Tiffany.
Yeah, I've been called a
You're
lot
right.
of things
Oh my
in my
God.
life. So, oh wow! Look at that.
Look at
That
the
is
shine on that thing.
beautiful.
Wow.
You need to go out in the sun with me. We're about to do a Sunday hangout. Look, my name's on that one too. I'm special. Look at that. Thank you so.
Oh, looks like a geode.
Oh, yay!
Why didn't crack the geode open since we're on our band
Some of
trip?
my rock hounding friends are gonna be jealous.
Ah, Minty.
Tiffy got rocks. Brian got lures. We're definitely going out. Hopefully take you guys to a new place next weekend. Mother's Day weekend.
Yeah, we'll have to crack the geodes open and show
Awesome.
you what they look like inside.
Oh, that's so cool.
I know, I wish you could see the light on it. Hold on, let me grab a flashlight. real quick.
I'm taking outside for our Sunday
Oh, I
lunch.
know. Just wanted to show.
Wrong one, that's flashing.
No, it's not. It's just a screen. Looked like it's flashing, but it's
Oh.
not. Just the way the screen's doing it.
It's alright. We'll get that in the sun.
Wow.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, guys. Oh, my God.
You guys are amazing. Too much, but we're keeping our eye out.
Now I got to expand my tackle box a little bit.
I gotta display my rocks. Thank you.
All thanks to Sock and Minnow.
You guys are awesome. You're on our minds. Thank you all for the love.
Yeah,
the
we've
blessings.
met some awesome people here, man.
There are no words for the community that we've met over the past 9 months except for thank you. From the bottom of my heart, our hearts, and we will pay it forward. Much love. We will chat with you guys later. Have a great day. Thank you.
Bye.